Once upon a time there was a businessman who was sitting on the beach in a small village. As he sat, taking a brief break from the stress of his daily schedule, he saw a fisherman rowing a small boat back into the harbor. In the boat were a few large fish. Impressed, the businessman asked the fisherman,
"How long does it take you to catch so many fish?" "Oh, not so long." "Why don't you fish for longer to catch even more?" "More. This is enough to feed my entire family and even offer some to my neighbors." "So what do you do for the rest of your day?" "Well, I've usually have caught my fish by late morning. At which point I go home, kiss my wife, and play with my kids. In the afternoon, I take a nap and read. In the evening, I go to the village to have a drink with my friends, play guitar, sing, and dance into the night." "I have a PhD in business. I can help you become much more successful." "From now on, you should spend longer at sea and catch as many fish as possible. When you've saved enough money, buy a bigger boat to catch even more fish." From there, you'll soon be able to buy more boats, set up your own company, build a production plant to can the fish and control distribution, and move to the city to control your other branches. And after that? After that, you'll be able to live like a king, take your company public, float your shares and be rich. And after that? After that, you can retire, move to a house by the sea, wake up early in the morning to go fishing. Then return home to play with your kids, kiss your wife, take a nap in the afternoon. And join your friends in the village to drink, play guitar and dance into the night. But isn't that what I'm doing already?